and this time I want to do a single verification check. So I've had some firms ask about, I just want to verify. So they might have been handed some data from a different process, but they just need to verify that one person without having to go through the whole onboarding experience. So in that case, you can add a client and put them in there, but you don't have to send off the whole request. So in this case, I've again used an alias of Joe to send off the request. I'm going to do a verification check and send that away, and I'm not going to actually email the request off. So if I add that client and then I type it in here, Joe, you'll see that Joe's in there. If I cancel the current request, go into ID verification, delete that, I will delete that request. Okay, we just want to send off a single request. So you can see I've got no details in here, no TFN, no address, no nothing. I just want to get a verification with Joe. So I'm going to request it off as a source method. I want to get his notice assessment or something like that. So I'll send that. Go back in here. Here's the request. View the request. Get the code. Log in. Remember that. Enter. And now it's just a single request for a single verification. You could also send the Stripe one and do that whole process that I just went through. Or you could do a single request. In this case, I'm going to get his notice assessment and continue on. And from that process, now I can go back into Joe, refresh the page. So Joe's been done the verification request. I can review it. I can collect those details that I needed to confirm them. I would recommend you collect their actual details because you should be confirming the details against the ATO. So in this case, if you're doing a single verification request, I would recommend Stripe is the answer. Confirm it and delete it, because when you're doing a source, you need to check details against the ATO portal anyway.